In this video, I'm going to be giving you my FTMO review. Is this the best prop firm? So FTMO is one of the most popular proprietary trading firms, known for giving traders access to large amounts of capital once they prove their skills. The process starts with the FTMO challenge, where you have to meet specific profit targets and risk management rules within a set time frame. If you pass, you move on to the verification stage, and after that, you can trade with real funded accounts. So what makes FTMO stand out is its structured approach. The rules are clear, the evaluation process is fair, and the scaling plan allows profitable traders to gradually access even more capital. FTMO also offers usage tools like performance metrics, trading journals, and account analysis to help traders improve their strategies. On the plus side, payouts are reliable and generous with up to 90% profit split going to the trader. The support team is responsive, and the trading conditions, spreads, execution, and available platforms are professional grade. But on the downside, the challenge can be tough, especially for traders who struggle with discipline. The time limits might feel restrictive, and it's definitely not a get rich quick opportunity, but that's a good thing. You need skill, patience, and consistency to succeed. Overall, FTMO is one of the best prop firms available today, offering serious traders a chance to trade big accounts without risking their own capital.